Welcome back to Spec Dossier, your ultimate hub for deep dive tech reviews and honest insights into the latest gadgets shaping the world of innovation. Today, we're unpacking one of the most talked about smartphones of 2025, the Vivo X300 Pro. This device has been making waves across tech platforms, photography communities, and performance benchmarks, earning a reputation as one of the boldest smartphones of the year. But what exactly makes it the talk of the town? Let's dive deep into every detail, from its powerful camera system and hidden advantages to its battery, build, and intelligent design. Welcome back to Spec Dossier, your ultimate hub for deep dive tech reviews and honest insights into the latest gadgets shaping the world of innovation. Today, we're unpacking one of the most talked about smartphones of 2025, the Vivo X300 Pro. This device has been making waves across tech platforms, photography communities, and performance benchmarks, earning a reputation as one of the boldest smartphones of the year. But what exactly makes it the talk of the town? Let's dive deep into every detail, from its powerful camera system and hidden advantages to its battery, build, and intelligent design. For videographers, the X300 Pro goes a step further by supporting 4K 120 frames per second recording on both the main and telephoto lenses, something rarely seen in smartphones. Add to that gimbal-level stabilization and a SEPA 5.5 rated telephoto OIS, and you have buttery smooth footage whether you're shooting handheld or zoomed in. Vivo has even developed a variable zoom flash system that adjusts lighting depending on focal length, meaning your night portraits look more realistic and better balanced. Features like native lighting mode and street photography mode further elevate the shooting experience, giving creators precise control and the ability to snap spontaneous, natural shots on the go. And for professionals, the optional Zeiss teleconverter accessory and photography kit, complete with a lens mount, grip, and case, transform a phone into a true portable camera rig. Beyond the camera, the Vivo X300 Pro excels in display and design. It comes with a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED panel offering a 1.5K resolution, adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness above 3000 nits, guaranteeing vivid, buttery smooth visuals indoors or under sunlight. The ultra-slim bezels, premium glass metal build, and Zeiss branding give it a luxurious look and feel, while an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor ensures fast, accurate unlocking. Users will also appreciate the upgraded haptic motor, delivering crisp vibration feedback that enhances typing and navigation. Under the hood, the X300 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, built on a 3nm process that prioritizes performance and power efficiency. With configurations going up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Multitasking, gaming, and editing are incredibly smooth. The dual imaging chips also reduce strain on the CPU and GPU during heavy camera sessions, maintaining stability and preventing overheating even during prolonged 4K recording or gaming marathons. Battery life is another area where the X300 Pro dominates. It packs a massive 6,510 mAh cell, one of the largest in its class, supported by 90W wired charging and 40W wireless charging. The combination of efficient chip design and Vivo's power optimization allows for all-day use with ease, even for content creators or travelers who rely on constant screen time. Charging speeds are equally impressive, with the device reaching a full charge in under 35 minutes, reducing downtime significantly. Connectivity on this device is future-ready, with support for Wi-Fi 7, 5G, and Bluetooth 5.4, as well as an integrated signal amplifier chip and dual Wi-Fi antenna design for stronger, more stable connections. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or live broadcasting, the X300 Pro keeps you connected in areas where other flagships might struggle. Durability also plays a key role in its appeal. The phone is rated IP68 and IP69, making it dust-proof and resistant to both immersion and high-pressure water jets, a rare combo even among premium phones. It features reinforced glass on both sides and a sturdy metal frame, ensuring it can handle rugged outdoor use or heavy photography setups without compromise. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the stereo speaker system with spatial sound enhancement, delivering immersive and balanced output, while the hi-fi audio chip revives true wired audio quality that many modern flagships have abandoned. Small touches like improved haptics, responsive AI scene adjustments, and refined UI animations give it a polished, premium feel across daily interactions. What many users don't realize, however, is that the Vivo X300 Pro hides several subtle advantages beneath the surface. Its dual imaging chips not only boost photo quality, but also reduce heat generation during recording sessions, meaning smoother, longer shoots. The portrait flash system at the 85mm range has been specially tuned for softer, more natural skin tones, while the signal booster ensures consistent network strength in remote or low-signal areas. The phone's thermal design features layered graphite and vapor cooling, keeping it cool even during 4K recording or gaming marathons. When paired with the optional photography kit, it becomes one of the most creator-focused devices on the market, blurring the line between smartphone and professional camera gear. In conclusion, the Vivo X300 Pro isn't just a smartphone. It's a statement of how far mobile imaging and hardware design have come in 2025. From its Zeiss-engineered lenses and dual imaging processors to its cinematic video capabilities, robust battery life, and top-tier durability, Vivo has set a new standard for what a true flagship should be. It's a perfect blend of artistry, performance, and innovation. The kind of phone that doesn't just join the conversation but dominates it. You've been watching Spec Dossier, where we decode tech for the modern world. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments. Is the Vivo X300 Pro the best camera phone of 2025, or do you think another contender deserves the crown?